everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 27th to the 30th of June 2022 on Monday. The pressure intensified between the Intense and Mampo advises Nambita to use Sandile's good heart against him, while Ria confronts Naledi but instead went on a side with her mother on Tuesday. Ria convinces Honor that Naledi's business plan isn't good for her. Much to Naledi's fury, Mampo started to feel the strain of being a new mom, with Faith taking notice. Things are tense between the Intense, with trust in short supply on Wednesday. Devastated, Honor tried to come to terms with Naledi's sudden departure. Isaac appealed prompt Funani to negotiate Honor's return to House of Zwide, but it triggered Nkosi's nightmare. Mampo felt the strain of trying to be the perfect mom on Thursday. Faith and Funani bond over Busi. Nkosi confides in Dorothy, who is stunned at what she hears. Honor is excited to be back at work, but her colleagues are not so welcoming. Mampo has a meltdown and Faith encourages her to accept help. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.